Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out some first impressions of products that I just recently got, and I'm really excited to try them out and let you guys know what I think, let you know if I think that they are worth the money and that you should go get them if you can. It is pretty much a face full of first impressions minus the eye makeup. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you never miss another video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So first of all, I'm going to be trying the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water because I'm a little behind on the times and I have not tried it yet, but I've heard so many wonderful, amazing things about it. So yeah, pretty excited. Alright, let's see what we think here. It's not coming out yet. That is very refreshing. It's a really good smell. It's like a clean smell. I like it so far. I mean, I can't really tell you anything else besides I like it. Okay. I do not have a new primer to try out, so let's see here. Since we did try that Smashbox Primer Water, I'm just going to go in with my most loved Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. Now that we have our primer on, let's go ahead and go into some foundation. I am going to try the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I've heard so many amazing things about this and I'm so excited to finally try it. I did get this in the shade 02 Natural. So for this, I'm just going to pump it out. So I'm going to go in with my dampened beauty sponge. It's just an off-brand one. And so we're just going to dip that. Smells very similar to the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Never heard anyone say that though. So it definitely has some coverage. That seems to be like covering everything. The shade match seems to be pretty good. So a big thing for me is if my foundation can cover my nose, because for some reason I get a lot of discoloration and like redness on my nose as well as oiliness because of my T-zone oiliness, and so if it can cover that and if it can actually stay in place, that's what I consider a good foundation for me. So yeah, so that's pretty good, and that's like an $8 foundation, like something crazy, like so cheap. The first impressions of that foundation, I'm very impressed. I really like the finish of it. It's not too matte, medium to full coverage, so I can definitely see that. Lightweight, oil-free formula, and it says it's long-wearing, water-resistant, and sweat-proof. So yeah, definitely feel like the lightweight, like it's not heavy on the skin. It seemed to cover everything I needed it to, and I mean, it blended out, you know, very easily with the Beauty Blender. I don't know how it will blend out with a brush or what kind of finish you will get with a brush, but with a Beauty Blender or Beauty Sponge, what have you, that's amazing. Like, I really like this. Really like this. I'm very impressed. So we're off to a good start. So let's see what's next. Okay, so I do not have a new concealer to try out today, so I'm just going to use my most loved Shape Tape and gonna go in here. That foundation really did seem to help with my dark circles under my eyes, so I feel like you don't need too much concealer when you use that foundation, so that's a plus. Going with the same dampened beauty sponge. Dampened beauty sponge. product also for my bronzer, so I'm just gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I did recently finally get after so many people suggesting it, so many YouTubers, so many beauty influencers, so many people love this, and I've tried it now and I see why, like what the hype is. I see what the hype is now with this, because this is so amazing. I don't even know how to describe how amazing it is, just to be honest. We're gonna go in with just a smaller brush and just bronze up those cheekbones. With that, with a little bit of contour and bronzing up the face, we're gonna go in with this makeup cannot talk today, this Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace. Heard so many people suggest this also, so really excited to try it. Like, what's the best way to use this? I mean, pour it in here maybe? Got it. We'll worry about that later. Impressions, super messy. They did not think about the packaging in this very well whatsoever. So sorry if I make some weird faces when I do stuff under my eyes. It's just like a thing I do. I don't know. It's weird. Alright. If y'all saw my pants right now, it has just powder all over it. Let that bake for a minute. For baking, I'm gonna go back in with some more bronze around that forehead. Bronze it up. Bronze it up. I'm looking. Okay, and while that is baking, let's see what else we're going to do. Okay, so this is not exactly a first impressions of this item. This is just the NYX micro brow pencil. I have used this before. It's just a dual-ended pencil. It has the spoolie on one end and then the okay, that was a bit more difficult than it should have been. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, draw out these brows. I did NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade that I wanted to try out. I've heard a lot of good things about that, as well as the Essence Make Me Brow, and that is like a gel, right? Yeah, eyebrow gel mascara. And really, this pencil goes on, you guys. Oh. Like some brow pencils, you know, you really have to like push down in order to get any color payoff, but with this, it's not that way at all. Let's see what this Tame and Frame can do for us. The first impression, this stuff is very like smooth, and a lot of brow pomades are really hard, like when you dig in, like they don't have anything, like you have to really dig in to get anything. But this one, that's not true, so I like that. Impressions of this NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade is a little bit, it goes a long way. Now we're gonna try this Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. It has like little fibers in it. I added like just a little bit extra of what my brows needed. So really like this, and I'm having a bad brow day, so please do not judge me. Okay, thanks. We're now gonna dust away the bake. I really like that. Don't like the packaging so much. They could have done a little bit better with that, but this is a win, and it's like $8, so can't beat that. So I have 2 highlights. I have the Wet n Wild Boozy Brunch, which looks like that, and I bought this because of Casey Holmes. So thank you for the recommendation. I hope that I enjoy it as much as you do. And also have the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlight in the shade Flexitarian. Let's swatch these and see. Oh my, this is the most soft. I should have known that it would be like the Super Shock Shadows, except it's like for your face, but I just was not expecting that. So I'm shook. That is beautiful. I love this. And I haven't even used it yet, but I love this. I love this. I really like how big, like I did not expect this to be that massive.
That's what she said.
Ooh. So this one's more of like a gold, and this one is more of a white. We're gonna go with the ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek, and I'm just gonna like tap my finger in there. Life. No such thing as too much highlight. I'm gonna go back in with just a brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit. I do have a problem with them emphasizing my texture because I have a lot of texture just right here on my cheeks from just enlarged pores, but I find with this one that it's not as bad. I don't know if it's that specific formula, like the ColourPop Super Shock. I don't know if it's that specific formula or what, but I really like the way that looks. Like, yes. So that was a win as well. We have had some really good luck today. Love it. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso because so many people have talked about this. Also, I had to see if it was worth all the hype. Just like that. And has a little mirror up here and a little brush that I am never going to use. That's cute. Oh my. Should I cry? Okay, Elizabeth, you're being very dramatic. You need to chill out. So I'm just gonna go in here with a lot comes off, so be careful. Oh my. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just. Oh, cheeks are just so rosy now. It's everything too. I'm just done. I'm done. In a good way. I'm done. But oh my gosh. Thank you to everyone who has recommended all of these items multiple times. Well, for the most part, recommended them. You all know what's up, and thank you. Like, these have all been phenomenal so far. Okay, so I don't have anything for my eyes. I did not get a eyeshadow palette as well as any new mascaras or anything like that to try out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off of camera, and then I'll be back so we can finish the look with some new lipstick. So I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, I am back and ready to try out these lip products. So these are the new L'Oreal Color Riche Shine lipsticks, and I've heard from people that they kind of go on more like a gloss. I don't really know how to describe it, so let's see. I've got the shade Glossy Fawn, which is a beautiful neutral, just kind of a nude brown shade. Let's see. I will not do that one. there's that one. That's Glossy Fawn. It has glossy finish to it, so that's pretty cool. And this is the shade Lacquered Strawberry. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys. So pretty. So since we went with the more warm tones on the eyes, I'm going to go with the more warm tone of the lipstick. So we're going to go with the Glossy Fawn shade, which is smooth on the lips. And if I could describe it in a color, it is like your lips, but better. The shade is like the perfect nude color. It's more of a glossy finish. These are, oh my gosh, like I want to go get them in every single color. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? I like it a lot. It's just a very easy go-to everyday look that you can wear, you know, to work, date night, girls night, whatever. I'm not really doing anything tonight, so I'm just gonna hang out around my house with this makeup on. I'll see how it wears. I do see, I think that the foundation did oxidize a bit. It's looking a bit orange-ish, but I don't mind it. I really still like the finish of it. I like how it feels in my face. It doesn't feel like I have foundation just caked on. You guys, everything that I've tried, I absolutely love. I've never had that good of luck with first impressions before. Like this is, I'm just blown away right now. Yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you never miss another video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So since we're going with more of a natural, more neutral, I'm gonna go with the more neutral, how do you say neutral? It's not neutral. So since the most flawless nude color, why do I keep doing this? What is this? Is the most just flawless nude color. This shade is just perfect, you guys. It is a perfect nude shade. Why do I talk like pink? Well, you feel like again. Yeah. Some hands are so awkward. Like, I can't handle it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you never miss another video. Gosh, this foundation literally makes my skin look. Shook it. Freaking time out, Mom. I don't know what you